Hello ARMYMOOs, Mamamoo Bangtam back with another video. For this video, we'll be reacting to Solar Paradise official music video for that new DJ program that she has sung an OST for. And that's what this is right here. It's the wet original soundtrack Paradise music video, sung by our one and only Solar. I already reacted to the teaser for this. I'm loving how the song sounds already. The EDM song of the year. The new year! Some new Solar music. I'm excited. Let's watch. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Her deep register! It's so deep! Whoa! English? Lose control? Oh, I can hear the beat drop coming soon. Paradise. Wow! It's so low. The way she sings that. It's so deep. Oh, higher? Oh! Where's the DJs? Yeah! Nice! That is EDM. Look at her just standing there like a model. Got this dancer here too. Go dancer! She's just sitting there like a queen. Oh, spin it! Spin it! I love it. I just saw the beat drop coming in. I knew it was gonna come in, and that is a hard-hitting beat drop. You can definitely hear the EDM electronic sounds in the music, and I am just shook by Solar's deep register at the beginning of the song. She is singing so low, and you don't get to hear that very often. When she does, it just surprises me so much, because she can sing super high and also super low. Like, she knows all the tones in her voice. She can do all the tones, all the different pitches, and that can be shown in this song. Yeah, I just want to dance to this. It is a hardcore beat. This is like the type of music you would like party with. Wow. I wanted more. And then she's like, I wanted more. Like, ooh, it sounds so good. I love it so much. I knew we were gonna get an official music video for this because in the teaser, the environment, the setting just looked too good not to be in a music video. I love all the, like, the lighting that's shown on her face, and she's like sitting down on a couch, just sitting there looking so beautiful and singing her heart out. That's what I predicted in this music video, and it looks really cool. It's showing all the different DJs, and then this one guy who's spinning around and doing dance moves to the music. It's really good. It's so good. We are in paradise with Solar. So let's continue. Oh, right away. And the jewels on her face. What? I can't. The way she's staring at me. Oh, wow. Oh, this guy. Intense. I'm losing control. Ooh, look at the lasers, the lighting. Oh, awesome. There's a DJ. I love it when she says that. Paradise. Let's go. Dance, dance. She's so serious too. The way she's staring into the camera. Ooh. Play around with the camera. Paradise on the couch? Ooh. Ooh. So much lighting. LED lightings. Yep, this is the wet world EDM trend. Official OST Paradise. Bye, Solar. Wait. It goes by so fast. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Our goddess of the sun, singing in paradise, deeply and high. Wow, I love this song. Yeah, it makes me want to get up and dance. I'm moving my moobong to the beat of it. Like wow, like using a drumstick, like drumming it into the air. Like it's like the beat though. The beat drops. Like it's wow. I love it. As always, Solar and her OSTs. This isn't a K-drama OST. It's not a slow ballad. This is a hardcore beat OST for a DJ survival program. So yeah, pretty interesting original soundtrack. After listening to Solar's deep vocals in this song, I am transported into paradise. I am in paradise. My ears are in paradise after listening to that. When she sings ah, she's like, I want it more. I can't even sing that deep. Like when I'm singing, it's easier for me to sing higher. It's very difficult for me to sing low, and the way she does that, it's just so impressive. Like I can't even impersonate her because it's not easy for me to sing that low. Absolutely amazing. That's all I gotta say. We are in paradise, Mamamoos. We are here. And we got this music video. I knew we were gonna get it. I knew it. They were a little late on the upload though, but I waited. So here it is. Solar Paradise. I'm gonna keep listening to this. I want to be like, yeah. I want it more. We got more Solar. For you, Mamamoos. That's it. Thank you so much for watching Solar in Paradise. I will see you in the next video, Mamamoos. Bye! And Happy New Year. We're gonna get lots of new music from Solar. Look forward to it. This is one of them. This is paradise. Yeah, Solar. Do the intense glare like she's doing. She knows she is the best. DJ Solar. Break it down. Drop the beat.